Bulk water carrier is having its own particular kind of a peculiarity as such. Whole Gujarat is being divided in 6 to 7 number of network as such. And if suppose you are going to one particular bulk network, that means from one pumping station to carry it from multiple number of kilometers, that means you can say around 50 to 100 kilometers of a pipeline having a diameter of 2300 mm, that means very big bulk is required to be carried. And on that particular network, there is a multiple nodes from where water is required to withdraw for a regional water supply scheme, filter it, and then distribute it to the further villages and as well as urban areas. So there is a drawal of water. That means there is a flow reduction as well as pressure reduction is also there, and multiple node. That means you are going to maintain a required head as well in the pipeline itself to push it for the further network as well. So there is a requirement of booster station on the network itself. So cover of it all, it is required to be designed in such a way that one particular pumping head and meter cube per hour required to be maintained for the up to the next pumping station, as well as from that pumping station as a booster, if suppose you are going to put it, that means from there is a head and a flow requirement is necessary for that pumping station, from that pumping station in the pipeline, right? So this is required to be studied very thoroughly, and then only you will be able to design your network. Perhaps it may going to happen that the whatever conceived criteria are whether performing it or not, that is also required to be know by means of action, and over a period of time you will be able to know that what is the augmentation required as such, and that is being done by the engineers itself. That is the basic, you can say, thorough art of a whole network as such.
Sir, can you explain what are the main challenges behind actually maintaining, operating, such huge pumps and valves and the pipeline itself actually?
Challenging, if suppose you are going to see that required quantity of water delivery at one particular required point of a node is an excellent challenge for us. Suppose somebody is going to claim that required water quantity in a particular time frame at one particular point is being maintained by the entire network, that means it is successful. Every day there is a new challenge. If suppose somebody is drawing more water, if suppose somebody is going to draw water in, more than the time which is given to that particular node, that means it is a challenge for the main pumping station. Every day it is essential to be maintained every now and then only the required quantity of water going to be maintained at each and every village. Otherwise, it's going to create a big nuisance in the network distribution itself. And that is, you can say, a kind of art for the network managing engineers. And this is essential to be maintained. And if you are going to learn all these things by means of experience, that means you are a master of a network.